Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond Cat 18. Today we will be playing some Royal High. I'm so sorry about all the Royal High. It's just my friend, she loves Royal High and we love to do trolls. But guess what I learned, guys?
I'm eating chocolate.
So I did that. The new hairstyle made my son Call Me Bob is ooh, look at this, guys. Oh, guys, you have to look at that. I know. Oh my god, there's literally so many.
A teapot.
Really? Teapot egg. Where is my mouse, guys? I can't see my mouse. Guys, if you spot my mouse, tell me. Oh, there it is. Okay, guys. So, let's just get on to Royal High, I guess. Hey guys, I'm back. So I think that I'll just decorate my character because this girl, I wanted to copy her. Is Strawberry Kiwi? Strawberry Kiwi is beautiful. Extreme unicorn hair.
Lisa, you're allowed to have chocolate. I'm already eating chocolate.
My little brother, he just came in, but he's being so annoying, guys.
Okay, so we're not sisters, but my brother is Gavin, and her brother is
Brody.
Yeah, Brody's like the one. Me and Gavin can have chocolate.
Yeah, so if you guys heard that, I'm so sorry for them.
They're so annoying.
I know, so just don't mind them.
Oh, so cute.
You want me to
Get
have
out
it?
of the way, human.
Or do you want this? Oh, yeah.
It goes so better with the hair. I love the hairstyle of kitties.
Okay, full face. What face should I have? Should I have that one?
No.
eh. That's so cute. Oh, I would love it without the band-aid though. Oh, no. Look at that crying face. It's so funny. Way too much makeup. Is that one good?
Like, go down.
That one? Ooh, but you like that? Here, let's look at other cute ones.
That one will be cute.
This?
No. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, I know that I'm sorry, but I talk a lot. I'm so sorry for that, guys. Okay, guys. So I'll see you in a minute when I get to Royal High. Okay, guys. I've just arrived at Royal High.
It's daytime.
Yes,
Now.
I'm so happy. Oh my God! Look at this hair. This is beautiful, guys.
Okay, we have to get the room.
That's pink because it's so big and I love it.
That's true. I actually have to change his skin.
Pardon?
I actually have to change his skin.
Yeah, because then I get the
Move
moving. People know that I'm probably going to choose the big, cute bedroom because it's so big. I used to hate this bedroom, guys.
You used to hate this bedroom?
Yeah, I literally used to hate this bedroom, guys. You know it sucked? In one of my videos, I accidentally posted it and I didn't get to say the bye, guys. So it just ended and I accidentally posted it and I didn't want to. So I'm so sorry for you if you guys have already watched that. And I have 5 subscribers. Thank you so much for 5 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. Like, I know that 5 subscribers isn't a lot, but I'm so happy. I mean, it's my first, this is like my...
So one time I had to get the blue room, and at least it had one of these kind of beds.
Yeah, this is my bed. It's my bed. I own it. I get out through the curtain. I wish I had a curtain all around my bed when I sleep. Do you know what I like to do, guys? So I like to, where is that?
Leave your door open, lay in bed, and then be creepy. And then when someone comes in, you're like,
I'm like, Raven joined. Raven. Raven. Aren't you so pretty? So I'm gonna go like that. And when I jump, I'm like this, guys. I'm like, hey, I'm chilling in my bed. And then, wait. Let's fix up my hairstyle. Hairstyle should I have? Oh, yes. Yes, I already love that. Well, I think I'll change my hair color. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Underwater coral. Oh,
yeah.
Let's see what it looks like. Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Okay, guys, so I'm just going to twirl. I love my new hair. But I kind of do want to change it. So I'm going to look at the back. So that it looks cute. I can't look at the back. Fire and ice.
We just saw the back, right? Nah.
Look. Oh, you don't like that? No. I'm sorry that this is taking so long, guys. Koi fish. Royal fire. Look at that.
Royal fire.
Yes.
No.
Sorry, guys.
It's like, yeah.
If we're like, I have a headset on.
Oh no.
I'm floating.
You're imitating.
I'm mumitating.
That is actually the best mumitating. That's the best mumitating face.
I'm sleeping. Doing anything.
You're sleeping while mumitating. Is that your nap kind of thing? You mumitate when you're napping?
No, I'm like.
Let's mumitate when we take naps. We have to go to one of our classes, you know. Let's look hot for our class. Let's try to look cute for our class or hot something.
Okay. So I like my hair like that. Should I have that hairstyle?
Yeah.
That's pretty cute, guys. Sorry, this video has literally been 7 minutes long. I'm literally not kidding. Oh yeah.
Class like that.
No, little kids, do not watch this video. Do not watch.
Do not go to class like that.
There.
Wait, what did you press? Press that.
Let's wear that.
Sure.
No, we can do that. The new spider faces. Okay, guys, I'm just going to class right now. Okay, guys. I'm scared if people make fun of me because of my beautiful hair. Should I go to the spa?
Nah.
No, let's go to the principal's office.
Oh, yeah, to
instead
get that diamond.
To see if it's even in there.
Where is the principal's office?
I know that's what I'm like saying, but where is it? Oh. I love that face.
Oh my god. Who is that?
I have no idea, but I just love that. 20!
That was the red one that you were talking about. So much diamonds in here.
Diamond. I'm your new student. I know. I have a lot of diamonds because I'm.
Well, that's an actual person.
She's an actual person. I don't know. She's terrifying. I know. Hey guys, maybe I'll do some face cam if my parents let me, and that would be my face reveal. So yeah. But do not wait. Look how big that diamond is. One. Are you literally kidding?
But that's still a big diamond.
It was literally a gigantic diamond.
It was only one.
It only gave me one. Nah. Actually, yeah. I'm not gonna go to any of my classes. Because I'm that evil. Come on. Just let me get a snack already. I'm hungry. Oh! Oh my god, it literally will not let me get a snack, guys. Let's bake some cupcakes. Guys, I'm gonna bake some cupcakes and give them to you. If you guys want to be in this video, just ask to be my friend. And then, yeah. I'm baking some beautiful cupcakes, guys. Sorry, guys. If you guys hear that noise, just don't mind it, please. Like, I'm actually
She's baking some cupcakes, so don't judge us.
Yeah, I just felt like. Ooh. Poo. I'm gonna make it all brown to be like their poo cupcake. Everything's gonna be brown on it. Guys, this is gonna be so fun. To be like poop. Okay. Chocolate. I need it to be chocolate. Cupcake liner. Aw. How about red? There. Yucky brown cupcakes. Chocolate. Oh my god. Do you know what I can be? I can be the cafeteria girl and I can make cupcakes for everyone. Hello, would anyone like some cupcakes? Some cupcakes? Because I'm gonna pass them around while I fly. While I fly. Are you ready? Chocolate, chocolate. There.
Let's go in the pool with cupcakes.
I'm gonna fly in the pool with my cupcakes and see what happens.
Okay, let's come out and see what happens to the cupcakes.
Ah, nothing.
I was doing actually good. Push it. Oh, remember when we went to that to the town and there's like diamonds there?
Oh yeah, that big red diamond. That's what I was talking about. Where is that camp? I know it's somewhere, right?
I think I just saw a diamond over there.
The blue ones are bad.
But they still give you something, right?
Just don't give me what I want. That's all. This is the green diamond. That's really good. It gives you like, really? Be a good diamond.
Oh, it's
Okay.
actually 10 now.
No, it was always here. Are you ready to see me get 20? See, ready? 20.
Let's actually go in there.
I'm always gonna live in the woods. And then whenever anyone comes in, like, do you want a cupcake? Here.
Oh my god, did we actually just go out the window?
Almost. Let's try to glitch.
Are we in heaven?
The heck?
We're in heaven!
What just happened? I just glitched into the spa.
In heaven.
What the heck just happened? Oh, my cupcakes!
What? Why? We just... Where are we, guys?
Have you seen this? We are so sorry, but we are
Guys. Oh my god, I just saw a blue diamond up there.
Okay, guys, I think we'll end the video here. Please subscribe and leave a like on the video.
Beautiful we are.
And comment down below what I should play next. Thank you all.
Yeah!
Bye.